Alright, let's look at the homework 2.4, problem number 2. Alright, so we have this limit, and we're going to use epsilon delta definition, and we want to come up with the delta values for these specific given epsilon values, 0.2 and 0.1. Alright, so let's do that. So function is x cubed minus 5x plus 9, so let's put that in. So using GeoGebra, so f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x plus 9, right? Hit enter, right? So it looks like this, right? Then x is going to, let's see, I'm going to pull, right? So x is going to 3 and the limit is 21, right? So we're looking at x is going to 2, so I'm going to pull this guy down a bit. And I want to see 21, so I'm going to go here, so somewhere on there, right? So y equals 21, so that's the limit right there. And x equals 3. Right, so x approaching 3, so right there. Alright, so let's find epsilon. So I'm going to do 21 plus 0.2. So let's say epsilon is 0.2. So here's y equals, right? You have that. And then 0.21 minus 0.2. Right, so that's another lower bound, so y there. Alright, so it's actually kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna stretch this guy out. Maybe I'll do focus, zoom in here. So zoom in around here more. Alright, then we know that we have to make the delta small enough. So delta is going to be, maybe look at this value here. Right, so I'm going to look for the intersection. So I'm going to use the intersection here, intersect. So intersection here, so these two, and put the dot there. And the intersection of these two, put a dot there. Right. So you can see that, right, so this is going to be a 2.9, actually I need a little bit more precision, right, they want this answer to be 4 decimal places, okay, so we're going to have to change option and 4 decimal places, right, so you can see that the difference is going to be either, so from 3, 0.0091, and this is going to be actually pretty close. I'm going to do 3 minus 2.9909, right? So it's 0.9. Okay, so it looks like the value is 0.0091, right, is the corresponding value, right? So let's type it in. 0.0091, right? If you squeeze it to 0.1, right, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the value. So instead of this guy, here, actually I can change that too. Alright, this guy, I'm gonna change it to it's a 0.1, so it's gonna be 20.9, right? So we got that, and then here I'm gonna change that to, and let's see, it's C, right? 21.1, right? So if you change that, the corresponding value actually changes. So 0.0045, and I think the difference here is going to be, let's see, so it's a 3 minus 2.9954. It's actually 46. So this is a smaller value. So delta is 0.0045. right? 0.0045, right? So let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.